Okay. In my last class, I have drawn one circuit like this. Two NAND gates. Connected this way. Okay. And we were applying some inputs there and we were checking the outputs. And before checking, we used to assume the previous state. Suppose the previous state was either 0 or 1. Okay. So let me assume like this. This is Q and this is Q bar. This is Q and this is Q bar. In my last class, I discussed a lot regarding this Q and Q bar. What I said, both cannot be equal. Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
If this is 1, then it will be 0. Or if this is 1, this will be 0. Okay, fine. And two inputs. Initially, I am assuming these two inputs are A and B. Later, I will change these two. So for, I'm now trying to develop a table for this one. This is a very important circuit. AB. So my previous assumption, I mean Q in, let me assume the previous state as Qn and the next stage as Qn plus 1. What is Qn plus 1? It will be better if I give an example here. Suppose your age is 19 right now. Okay. So next year you will be how much?
20.
So 20.
20. So if it is present state is Qn, the next state will be Qn plus 1. Always the next state will be plus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Achha. I tried to give 4 sets of input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. I assumed 0, 0 in all the 4 cases. Can you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for 0, 0, what happened? Both the outputs became 1. For 0, 0, both the outputs become 1. That's why I was not considering this one. Okay, leave it for some time. Now, for A 0, 1 and 1, 0, what happened? I forgot.
Sir, for 0, 1, the output was 1 and 0, and for 1, 0, the output was 0 and 1.
For 1, 1, output was
1 and 0.
0.
1 and 0. Okay, let me check once again all the 3 cases. so that we will be able to remember, and you will have a good practice session for this one also. So I am assuming Q as 0 and Q bar as 1. Let me choose a different color. Okay. So Q as 0 and Q bar as 1. Okay. This is 0 and this is 1. Now I am applying 0 at A and 1 at B. B is equal to 1. Now check. So what is the input at gate 1? This is gate 1 and this is gate 2. What are the inputs at gate 1? Tell me. A is equal to 0. So one of the input at gate 1 is 0. Another input is this 1 is appearing here.
1.
1. Another input is 1. So for 0, 1, NAND gate will give you what?
1.
So it is giving a 1 here. Instead of 0, it will become 1 now. And that 1 is again appearing at gate 2. So what are the inputs at gate 2 now?
1, 1.
1, 1, correct. So 1, 1. If the inputs are 1, 1, then what will be the output?
0.
0. Fine. It has changed to 0 from 1. So this 0 is coming again to gate 1. So is there any change at gate 1? Let me check. So now the two inputs at gate 1 is
0, 0.
0, 0. Very good. So for 0, 0, output will be
1.
Sir,
1.
1.
1. So no change from, it was 1 in last case. So here also it will be 1. So no problem. So we need not to do this again. So I started with 0 here and 1 here, but after applying the input, my result is, the output is, this is 1 and this is 0. That means this Qn, what I'm telling, this is Q. So Qn means this 0 and Qn plus 1 is, you tell me, Qn plus 1 is 1.
1.
So previously I assumed 0. So Qn was 0 and Qn plus 1 is 1. Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
एकदम clear हो गया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. Now I want to do a little bit faster. And my assumption is this is 1 now and this is 0. And this is same. So now you check me the third case. For third case, I will write gate 1 here. You tell me what are the inputs. This is gate 2. You tell me what are the inputs. Okay. For gate 1, what are the inputs?
1, 1.
1, 1. So 1, 1 will give you
0.
0. Fine. So what are the inputs at gate 2?
0, 0.
0, 0. So nice. So 0, 0 will give you
1.
1. So it is basically the same thing that I assumed. Okay. So what I assumed, Qn is equal to how much?
0.
0. So Qn plus will be, Qn plus 1 will be?
1.
No, it remains 0. It remains 0. So Qn plus 1 will remain 0.
0.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, the fourth case. Both the inputs are 1. And now check what happens. What are the inputs at gate 1?
1 1.
1 1 is 1 1. So 1
0.
1 1 will give you a 0. Okay. What are the inputs at gate 2?
1 and 0.
1 and 0. Okay. 1 and 0 will give you a
1.
1. So it remains same that we assumed. I mean, I assumed 0 here initially. So after applying 1 1 input, it remained 0 only. So Qn plus 1 is 0. Okay. So till now I have done half of the task. What I'm saying, half of the task I have done. I assume Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1 till now. But now I want to change it. Now I want to assume Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 0. And again, I will apply the 4 sets of input. Okay. So now 4 sets of input will be again 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. And you check my input is previous output is I am assuming 1 1 1 1. Okay, in all the 4 cases. Now I'll have to check the output. Okay. So let me start with 0 0. Let me start with 0 0. The same thing will happen till I'm trying once again. So what are the inputs at gate 1?
0 0.
0 0. For 0 0 you are likely to
1.
get 1. Okay, no problem. And this 1 will come here. So what are the inputs at gate 2?
0 and 1.
0 and 1 will give you how much?
1.
1. So there is a change from 0 to I am getting 1 now. And this 1 is again coming here at the input of gate 1. So what are the inputs of gate 1 right now?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. So for 0 1 also the output will be
1.
1. So that means both the outputs are getting 1. Okay. So that critical case, I will not consider this one. Okay. So the next case. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Okay. Now tell me, what are the inputs at gate 1?
0 0.
0 0. For 0 0 you are getting a
1.
1. Okay. And for gate 2,
1 and 1.
1 1. So 1 1 will give you a
0.
0. Fine. So it is the same thing that I assumed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that means 1 will remain 1 in the next state. Now the case 1 0. Assumption is same. I think, are you getting bored?
No, sir.
What sir is doing 1 0 1 0 so many times? No meaning at all. if I were in your place, then certainly I will be feeling bored. Okay. But just wait for another couple of minutes. You will find the interest. Very interesting thing it is. Now you see this case. Only 2 cases left. So what are the inputs at gate 1 now? Tell me.
1 and 0.
1 and 0. So 1 and 0 means output will
1.
be 1. 1. Okay, no problem. This is 1. So if this is 1, and what is this? This 1 will come here. So what are the inputs here at gate 2? Now, what are the inputs at gate 2 now?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. Right, right. 0 and 2. So 0 and 1 will give you a
1.
1. I mean, this 0 is getting changed to 1. Okay. And this 1 is again appearing at gate 1. So what is the present input of gate 1?
1 1.
1 1. So 1 1 means it will be
0.
0. Sandeep. Okay, so 1 1 will give you a 0. So this 1 will become a 0. And this 0 is coming here again. If you want to check, what are the inputs at gate 2 now? What are the inputs at gate 2 now? What Sandeep is doing? Hello?
Yes, sir. 0 and 1.
No, no. Check once again. This 1 has become 0. So this 0 is coming here. So 0 0, right? So the input at gate 2 is 0 0 now. So for 0 0 also you are getting a 1. Okay. So
Yes,
it
sir.
remained 1. So actually I started with 1 and 0, but it has become 0 and 1. Okay. Now you see. I started with 1 and 0, but it has, this 1 has become a 0 now. Okay. Now the last case left. One one. Assumption is same. So now check what are the inputs at gate 1.
1 and 0.
1 and 0. Then
1.
output will be
1.
1. Fine. It is 1. So this 1 is appearing here. So what are the inputs at gate 2?
1 and 1.
1 and 1. So output will be
0.
0. So it is the same that I assumed.
Yes, sir.
So 1 has remained 1. Okay. So just please confirm me. Can you create this table by yourselves?
Yes, sir.
Don't copy this one, but instead of copying this one, try to build up the table by yourselves. It's very serious issue. If you can write the table, you will be the master of sequential circuits. Okay. I don't remember anything. I repeated in my several classes. I told you that I don't try to remember anything. I just try to remember the logics. Automatically, the rest of the thing appears in my mind. You see that I have developed this table. Now table will tell me so many things. Now the table will tell me so many things. What are the table is telling me? Now you will be able to understand. AB when AB is in how many cases AB is 0, 0?
So
Two.
two cases.
Two cases, case 1 and case 2. In both the cases, I have put a cross mark. Okay. Now, in both the cases 1, 1, there are how many cases in the input? Sir, 1, 1.
So two.
One.
Two cases, this one and this one. You try to conclude one thing. In the first case, I assumed 0, it remained 0. In the first case, I assumed 0, it remained 0. In the second case, I assumed 1, it remained 1. So what does it mean? It means at 1, 1, there will be no change. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
For 1, 1, there will be no change. Okay, very good. Now, this case. How many 0, 1 cases are there?
So two.
2. Very good. For these two cases, you see, if I apply 0 here, if I apply 0 at A, the output has changed to from 0 to 1. You see what I'm telling you? If I apply a 0, the output has become 0 to 1. In digital electronics, in computer science, any operation that will lead to a logic high is called a very important operation set. So when you are changing a 0 to 1, then this operation is called what?
Set.
Set. And when you are doing the opposite thing, when you are changing a 1 into a 0, this operation is called a reset operation. Okay. I think you are very much familiar with this term, reset. Whenever your mobile gets hanged, what do you do? Sir, I reset my phone. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप, मोबाइल फोन, टीवी वगैरह कभी भी कोई भी malfunction होता है, चलो okay, you reset it. So this is the function reset. You will be understand what reset means actually. So reset means to make a 0 from 1, to make a circuit off from 1. Anyway, so this is reset operation. So a 0 at A, now check my logic. A 0 at A will reset the system. A 0 at A will reset the system. You check this one and this one also. sorry, a 0 at A will set the system. A 0 at A, what I'm telling, a 0 at A will set the system. Set the system means from 0 to 1, means 0 to 1 means set. So it is set. Okay, this is also set. It was 1,
But
and
sir, it remained 1.
it was on. You asked it to remain on, so it is set condition. You check the output, it is in set condition right now. This is also in set condition. So is a 0 in A will allow the system to remain in set, or it will set itself. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now the last case left. And that is 1 0. So again I'm telling you, a 0 at B will reset the system. If it is 0, no problem, it will remain reset. If it is 1, then also it will become 0. So it is reset. Okay. So have you got the thing?
Yes, sir.
So my conclusion is a 0 in A, I mean 0 1, in both the cases you see 0 1, the circuit is set. And a 0 in B will make the circuit reset. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the summary that I tried to achieve from my last class. 0 0, this thing, and 0 1 is set, 1 0 is reset, 1 1 is no change. Now I want to look a little bit more closer on this summary. I mean 0 is the instruction actually. If you are applying 0 at A, means you are trying to set the circuit, or you are applying 0 at B, means you are trying to reset the circuit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, a very funny example I'll give you. Suppose, Sandeep, are you there? Okay, leave him. Rahul, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rahul, अगर ऐसा होता है कभी कि your mother is telling you कि do you study now, and your father is telling you go to the market for purchasing some vegetables. So what will you do? क्या करोगे अभी?
सर वेजिटेबल लेने चल जाएंगे।
लाके क्या होगा? मामी तो खाना नहीं देगी, फिर उनका बात नहीं माने,
खुद बना लेंगे सर।
अरे बाप रे. Okay, let other people, let's just check other people what they do, they will do. Vishakha, if you are facing,
Yes, sir.
if you are getting two different instructions simultaneously,
Yes, sir.
Then what will you do? You will be in a problem. You will be in a dilemma. What to do? You will not
Yes, sir.
will not be able to decide what to do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's a problem. If someone asks you to go towards north, and someone asks you to go towards south, so you cannot do anything.
Yes, sir.
So here 0 is the command. I'm telling what here 0 is the command. If 0 at A will set the circuit and 0 at B will reset the circuit. So for the first case, you are simultaneously asking the circuit to set and reset. That's why both the output became 1, and we are not considering this case. Now understand? Have you understood this now? Why 0, 0 I was not considering since my beginning of the lecture?
Yes, sir.
You cannot ask the circuit simultaneously to get set and reset. Okay? And 0 is the command. So in the last case, both are 1, 1. I mean, you have not given any command. You have not given any command in the last case. Okay? So suppose you are studying. No command was given to you from nobody. Then what will you do? What will you do? You will continue your study. Isn't it? That's why I have written no change. Okay? Now, just to remember, as I already said you, a 0 at A will set the circuit. A 0 at A will set the circuit, and a 0 at B will reset the circuit. So henceforth, I will write S and R. So a 0 at S will set the circuit. A 0 at R will reset the circuit. So can you remember it now?
Yes, sir.
So check the process, what I did. I have tried to, initially I simply draw the circuit. Then after that, I assumed all the cases and check the outputs. From the output, I tried to obtain a summary. From the summary, I realized that a 0 at A will, a 0 at S will set the circuit and a 0 at R will reset the circuit. So this is, and a dual command means it cannot function. So if there is no command, there will be no change, and only 2 commands left, set and reset. Okay. So this is the thing I wanted to develop. And this circuit is called RS latch, a very important circuit of digital electronics, RS latch. What? RS latch. So what is latch? Latch is nothing but a clock, a flip-flop, without clock pulse. A flip-flop without clock pulse. Okay. RS latch. And what is that? RS, what is the full form? R means reset, S means
Reset and set.
set, latch. So latch का definition क्या है? A flip flop without clock pulse. अभी ये बात ऐसा हो गया कि सर आप लैच का डेफिनेशन बताने के लिए एक दो चीज ऐसा बोल दिया है कि फ्लिप फ्लॉप क्या है वी डोंट नो, एंड व्हाट इज क्लॉक पल्स वी डोंट नो. Okay, wait for some time. I will explain both flip flop and clock pulse, both the term. So can I delete my screen?
Yes, sir.
If you require, you can take a screenshot of this one.
Okay, sir.
Take it.
Yes, sir.
So we have learned RS latch. From RS latch, the block diagram of RS latch will be like this. Two inputs, R and S, two outputs, Q and Q bar. From this RH latch, we will be able to develop other sequential circuits. This is the basic building block of sequential circuits. Okay. Now, I'll tell you one very interesting thing. Suppose this is the input that you applied. I'm sure you will be able to tell me what is the output right now. Please tell me. No hurry, think seriously and then reply me. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So I think you have not understood anything till now. I have applied a 0 at S. Means I want to set the circuit. Set means the output will be 1. And naturally it will be 0. What is the problem? Tell me one by one. Vishaka, what is the wrong with you? Should I explain once again?
No, sir.
I am trying to set the circuit. Means that's why I have applied a 0 at S. That's why I have applied a 0 at S. Means the output will be set. Means the Q will be 1. If I want to reset this, I will apply, let it be same thing at the output. Now I have applied a 0 here, 0 at R and a 1 at S. Means I want to reset the circuit. Reset the circuit means this 1 will be converted to 0. Naturally this 0 will become 1. So is it not clear till now? Varsha? आर्या?
Yes, sir.
क्या क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है?
Sir, हो गया है.
हो गया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I apply 1 here, now what will happen?
Sir, there will be no change.
There will be no change. Very good. Because I have not given any command right now. Okay, let me change the command again. basically you are having only 3 sets of command right now for this circuit: 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So 1 1 means no command, actually no command, कुछ नहीं होगा, जो जैसा था ऐसे ही रहेगा. And 0 1 1 0. So I am applying a 0 here at S. What will happen? राहुल, मैं एस में 0 दिया है और आर में 1 दिया है, तो क्या होगा?
रीसेट।
नो बाबू, एस में 0 दिया है मतलब सेट होगा सर्किट. 0 से कमांड दे रहा हूं यहां. एस में 0 दिया है तो मतलब सर्किट सेट होगा. तो 0 से क्या हो जाएगा? 0 था पहले, अभी क्या हो जाएगा? 1. और ये वाला अपोजिट होगा, 1 से 0 हो जाएगा. So is it not clear till now? बोलो.
Sir, clear.
Okay, last check. बोलो आउटपुट क्या होगा? विशाखा, टेल मी.
Sir, 1 and 0.
करेक्ट, इट विल बी 1, इट विल बी 0. एंड ये करके मैं थोड़ा घूमने के लिए चला गया. ये करके मैंने थोड़ा घूमने के लिए गया है, मेरा ऑफिस में गया है या कुछ मार्केट गया है. ओके, I returned after some time, maybe after 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second, 1 day. If the power supply is not made of, it will remain same. Very interesting. Follow my word. What I'm saying, if the power is not changed, it will remain same. मेरा बात समझ रहे हो सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
उतना अच्छा हिंदी तो मैं नहीं कह सकता हूँ, फिर भी आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट टू मेक यू दिस थिंग अंडरस्टैंड. Unless and otherwise you understand the basic things, then what will happen at the final round? You will try to remember all these things, you will try to memorize all these things, and it's such a subject that you cannot memorize it actually. Okay, you will have to find out the logic. So now what I'm telling you, I have applied a set of input, I mean 1 at R and 0 at S, and rightly said, as Bishaka said, sir, output will be 1 at Q and 0 at Q bar. So it will remain same. What I am telling you, it will remain same until the next set of input is applied. So what I can conclude from this story, that a very important, interesting term I will use right now. It has the ability to, a very important term I am writing. You know the term, but it is very relevant term here. What I have written?
It has the ability to remember.
Yes. This circuit has the ability to remember this one. That's why I have set it, because I have set it one and went to somewhere for some period of time, and when I arrived here again, I am seeing that okay, it's still now it is one there. It may be for 1 second, maybe for few minutes, maybe for few hours, maybe for few days. It will remain same. So that's why I have written it has the ability to remember. It can remember something. So what, as it has the ability to remember only one bit. It has the ability to remember only one bit. So I can conclude the next point. Ki, yes, sir, it is 1 bit memory. It is nothing but 1 bit. Memory. So what have you learned? कुछ पता चल रहा है? क्या सीख लिया? आर्या,
Yes, sir.
कैसा लगा?
Sir, अच्छा लगा.
So 1 bit memory आप जब सीखे हैं तो इसका 8 bit एक साथ लगा लो. So you can key this is 1 byte memory. So इसका 1024 byte memory लगा लो. Then you can tell it कि okay sir, it's 1 KB memory, kilobyte memory. उसका 1024 kilobyte memory लगा लो कि you will tell कि sir is 1 MB memory. ऐसा 1024 MB लगा लो so कि sir it will be 1 gigabyte memory. उसका 1024 लगा लो तो आप कहोगे कि सर इसका 1 TB memory. So you have learned this basic thing. Okay, but this is not the ultimate. Sorry, इसके ऊपर भी हम कुछ डेवलपमेंट करेंगे आगे. इसका कुछ लिमिटेशन है. So we'll have to overcome the limitations. We'll have to add some circuits with this one so that it functions properly as we want. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me stop now. By that time, you all of you are requested to enroll yourselves in my Teachment classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.